At Lioncare Company, workers across the world are our top priority. And no matter where they are or which industry they are working in, we will protect them. Lioncare is a professional manufacturer and supplier of disposable protective products. Established in 2008, we strive for reliability, always meeting the global standard, meeting the needs of many global leaders, wholesalers, agents, and organizations with customized personal protective products worldwide. Lioncare's main product line includes a range of disposable protective coveralls, surgical gowns, face masks, respirators, as well as disposable non-woven and plastic PPE accessories. We also cater for a large number of industries such as the chemical industry, oil and mining, medical healthcare, agriculture, construction, clean room, food processing, and beauty care, to name a few. At Lioncare, we aim to provide our customers with the highest quality products at market-leading prices. Our competency is always informed by our values, which form the backbone of everything we do. Quality is life. Lioncare is certified by the International ISO Quality Management System. Lioncare products are fully qualified and have passed the European CE certification in line with the latest PPE and MDR regulations, and Lioncare's products are industry qualified, carrying certifications from both CE and UKCA and are FDA and TGA registered. All of Lioncare's production and the factory itself are verified by third parties, namely BSI, SGS, TUV, and Intertech. Cost is competitiveness. Lioncare's factory covers an area of 58,000 square meters and deals with every aspect of production, from raw materials to finished packaging. With end-to-end control over our entire supply chain and capacity to mass produce, we can deliver the best PPE products at competitive prices. Speed is commitment. When providing frontline defense, every minute counts. Everyone at Lioncare understands the importance of speed and is committed to providing quick response within 24 hours to our customers. For instance, in 2020, the Polish government's order for 1.5 million articles of protective clothing was delivered in as little as 30 days. This helped by our integrated delivery capabilities. Improvement is our culture. Improvement is central to our company culture. Everyone at Lioncare insists on learning and sharing with others. We are passionate about sharing our experiences and knowledge with our partners while keeping open-minded to learn from them. We are critical of every product details and work, which links to improve. With 14 years of focused manufacture and export of PPE, we have the great fortune to work with 300 long-term partners in 53 countries, including some top global PPE companies. This has allowed us to accumulate a rich insight into both marketing and production. Lioncare is an international trade expert with our excellent brand designer and logistic team. Not only provide high-quality products and service, but also assist our customers in expanding their businesses. We always believe that constantly improvement and focus make us more professional. Maintaining fair, trustworthy, and cooperative relationships allows us to turn business opportunities into compelling stories. Lioncare is a brand. We are committed to being a strategic partner that helps you to deliver health, safety, and care to every workers. We will accept any challenges and complexities together with you. In order to protect our health, safety, and better life, we will keep moving forward.